Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the updated steps on how to unhide archived chats on WhatsApp. If you've ever archived a chat and now want it back in your main chat list, this quick tutorial will help you do just that. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once inside, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on them. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for and tap on the option labeled Chats. This section contains all the settings related to your conversations. Now, scroll down until you find the feature called Keep Chats Archived. You'll notice a toggle switch next to it. If this feature is turned off, it means archived chats will reappear in your main chat list whenever you receive a new message. To keep your archived chats hidden permanently, simply toggle this feature on. Once this is done, all your archived chats will remain hidden, even when new messages arrive. If you want to access these archived chats later, go back to your main chat screen and scroll to the top. There, you'll find the archived section where all hidden chats are stored. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your settings to manage archived chats on WhatsApp. It's a simple yet effective way to organize your conversations while keeping certain chats out of sight. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who might need it. See you next time.